Right in front of me is the Krone S Bundle, dolly down below, slider, and head up top, and all of these devices are powered by a single battery through the power module. In our experience, for the smoothest operation of the Krone S Bundle without any cable clutter, mounting the power module on the tripod leg right behind the slider works incredibly well. Our cables routing to the slider and head are right here, and the cable running down to the dolly is right over here. When raising tripod X, make sure to check that the cable running down to the dolly has enough slack. The SliderPLUS cable won't restrict the movement, no matter how high you raise the slider. Make sure the cable you connect to the HeadPLUS is the long one from the power module box. When connecting the cable to the HeadPLUS, to prevent it from interfering with the rotation, you can secure it right at this pivot point with a piece of tape. This way, no matter how much the head pans, the cable will never pull tight. Then, using a second piece of tape, you can route it so it stays completely behind the L bracket. You can also mount the power module flat instead of sideways. And now, let's get to the truly important detail. To mount the power module on the thicker part of the tripod leg, you need to use a double strap configuration like this. Normally, this second strap is included in the box, and you just need to loop it through here to connect them. This way, you can mount the power module to even the thickest diameters. Wishing you great shoots with the Krone S Bundle.